Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing your Excel workbook and Access database in a trusted folder and confirming you have read/write rights. Once done, close both apps to avoid lock conflicts. Make one backup copy of each file. Next, enable the Trust Center settings so linked content and macros can run. This reduces permission errors later. Finally, open Access only for the next step so you can import or link tables without Excel holding file locks. With Access open, choose External Data and pick Excel as the source. Select Link to the data source so changes in Excel reflect in Access, then pick the worksheet or named range that holds your table. When prompted, map each Excel column to an Access field thoughtfully, match data types, and set a primary key if needed. Make sure date, number, and text formats align. Mismatches create conversion errors. Once mapped, save the linked table and test, by opening it, in Access to confirm row visibility. To finalize, implement a refresh routine. In Access, use Linked Table Manager or add a short VBA macro in Excel to save and notify Access. Once automated, validate data integrity by sampling records and running Access compact and repair to prevent bloat. If links fail, check for file locks, incorrect data types, or disabled Trust Center permissions. These are the most common causes. If you still have problems, unlink and relink just the offending table after correcting the Excel range and data types to restore a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.